Do you know about the amazing benefits of eucalyptus oil for cold and flu relief? Let's dive into how this natural remedy can help you feel better fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about a powerful natural remedy that can help provide relief from cold and flu symptoms. Eucalyptus oil is a game changer during the cold and flu season. It's not only effective but also a natural alternative to over-the-counter medications that can sometimes come with unwanted side effects. We all know how miserable cold and flu season can be. The constant congestion, relentless coughing, and those annoying headaches can disrupt our daily lives. The usual go-to remedies often include a plethora of over-the-counter medications that might offer some relief but also bring along drowsiness or other side effects. What if there was a natural, effective alternative that could provide relief without these downsides? This is where eucalyptus oil comes into play. Eucalyptus oil has been used for centuries to combat cold and flu symptoms. It contains powerful anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties. When inhaled, the oil helps to clear nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. Here's how it works. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Eucalyptus oil reduces inflammation in the airways, helping to relieve congestion and making it easier to breathe. 2. Decongestant properties. The active compound, eucalyptol, works as a natural decongestant, helping to break down mucus and phlegm. 3. Antimicrobial benefits. Eucalyptus oil also has antimicrobial properties which can help fight off the bacteria and viruses causing your symptoms. There are several ways you can use eucalyptus oil. 1. Diffusers. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to your diffuser and let the soothing aroma fill the room. This helps to clear nasal passages and can provide continuous relief. 2. Steam inhalation. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil and inhale the steam. This method provides immediate relief from congestion. 3. Topical application. Dilute eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and apply it to your chest and throat. This helps to reduce coughing and improve breathing. The versatility of eucalyptus oil is what makes it so effective. Let's take a closer look at each method. 1. Diffusers. Imagine coming home after a long day with a stuffy nose and simply turning on your diffuser. Within minutes, the eucalyptus oil permeates the air, helping to open up your nasal passages and making breathing easier. It's an effortless way to incorporate eucalyptus oil into your daily routine. 2. Steam inhalation. This is particularly effective when you need quick relief. 2. The hot steam combined with the eucalyptus oil helps to loosen mucus, making it easier to expel and providing almost instant relief. It's like having a mini spa treatment at home. 3. Topical application. This method is great for nighttime relief. By applying the oil mixture to your chest, you can enjoy its benefits throughout the night, helping to ensure a restful sleep despite the cold symptoms. To summarize, eucalyptus oil offers numerous benefits for relieving cold and flu symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties help clear nasal passages, reduce coughing, and fight off infections. It's a versatile remedy that can be used in various ways to suit your preferences and needs. Incorporating eucalyptus oil into your daily routine can make a significant difference in how you feel during cold and flu season. In conclusion, eucalyptus oil is a fantastic option for anyone looking to find relief from cold and flu symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory, decongestant, and antimicrobial properties make it a must-have during the winter months. It's natural, effective, and versatile. What more could you ask for? By incorporating eucalyptus oil into your routine, you can breathe easier and feel more comfortable, making those winter months a little bit more bearable. Now I encourage you to give eucalyptus oil a try for yourself. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Let's support each other in staying healthy and happy during cold and flu season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.